A good book cover is like a movie poster. It doesn't have to explain everything, but it has to make you curious. Let's look at a strong book cover compared to one that doesn't work and see why it matters. Take a look at this version of Dune by Frank Herbert. Immediately, you get a sense of the mood of the book. You can see a lone figure walking through the desert. A sandstorm looms ahead. The colors are bold, the font is clean and modern, clearly reflecting the science fiction genre. The title stands out clearly at the top, followed by the author's name. Now compare that to this older Hebrew edition of God Emperor of Dune. The cover uses surreal floating ice and a vague background that doesn't clearly connect with the story or the genre. As you can see, the typography is weak and the title and the author's name don't clearly stand out. Nothing about this font suggests that this is a science fiction genre. This clearly shows that unclear imagery and poorly chosen fonts can confuse readers. So, when you're designing a cover or getting someone else to design your cover, you need to be clear about what exactly you want it to achieve. Your cover should reflect your book's genre. So if you're writing a fantasy, include mystical or otherworldly elements. Make sure your title is the most visible element, followed by the subtitle, if any, followed by the author name. Make sure that the font is clear and easy to read, even in a thumbnail. And your font should match your genre. So if you're writing a thriller, you can't use playful bubble fonts. Avoid clutter as much as possible. A single strong visual is much better than multiple disconnected ones. Make sure that there is good contrast between the text and the background so everything stands out clearly. And finally, use color to evoke emotion. You can use blues and grays if you're going for something introspective and moody, bold reds and blacks for intense drama, and pastels for something light and romantic. Now coming to the back cover of your book. It's where readers look for more information before they decide to buy. Your back cover should include a catchy and well-written book description, testimonials if there are any, an author bio, and other elements like ISBN. If you're publishing a hardcover, some of this information may go into the dust jacket. And lastly, don't forget the spine. Your spine should include the book title, your author name, and the publisher name. So these are some tips that you can keep in mind while designing your cover. And if you need help with designing, I have a great platform for you. The NotionPress platform comes with templates and design tools that makes designing much easier. Click the link in the description to learn more about how you can design your book cover using the NotionPress platform. And if you want additional support, our professional designers are here to help you. Click the link below to sign up with NotionPress. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!